Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete Claude AI history. To begin, open your browser and search for the Claude AI login page. From the search results, click the official Claude sign-in option and log into your account. Once you are signed in, you'll land on the Claude homepage. From here, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. This is where the side navigation panel appears, and it's the main area you'll use to manage your chat history. In Claude, there are 3 simple ways to delete chat history, depending on what feels most convenient for you. The first method starts in the left navigation panel. Find the specific chat history entry you want to remove. When you locate it, click the vertical 3-dot menu next to that conversation. This will open a small menu with available actions. Choose the delete option. After that, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the chat. Go ahead and click delete to confirm. This is a useful option when you only want to remove one specific conversation and keep the rest of your history untouched. The second method is done from inside an open chat. While viewing the conversation, look near the top of the screen for the small downward arrow. Click that arrow to open the menu. Just like before, select the delete option. Claude will once again ask for confirmation before removing the chat. Click delete to finish. This method is helpful if you are already inside the conversation and want to remove it without going back to the sidebar. The third method is best if you want to manage multiple chats at once. In the left navigation bar, click on Chats. This will open your chat list in a more organized view. From there, you can manually select individual chats or choose all chats if you want to clear a larger portion of your history. Once your selection is made, click the delete button. You may also delete chats one at a time from this view by clicking the vertical 3-dot menu next to a conversation, selecting delete, and then confirming the action. As a quick reminder, deletion usually requires confirmation to help prevent accidental removal. So take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct chat before confirming. And that's it. Those are the 3 ways to delete Claude AI history quickly and easily.